Hi everyone, in this video tutorial we will create a sidebar in ReactJS, so it will be our result. See, and smaller devices that has displayed none, displayed back, and on larger devices when we click the button, so it will be displayed like this. If we click it back, it will display it like this. So this will be the result of this video. So let's get started. Before starting, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe it. So now we will create our sidebar, a responsive sidebar for mobile and large devices. Here in this area I have already created this now bar. Okay, so now we will create our sidebar. So let's get started. I am using bootstrap icons, so you can use Fontasm, whatever. So I will import bootstrap icons, slash fonts slash bootstrap icons, that's CSS. I will import them here. Class name, the first one would be I will just import an icon. Speedometer 2 icon. Before this I should write bootstrap icon dash, and after that I will write h3 tag, that would be dashboard. Same to this, I will write other now icons, and this would be clipboard plus this icon, articles, and this would be report, and the fourth one would be setting, and the fifth one would be power lagout. Now I will wrap it in a div. So sidebar and content. So now let's look it. We have this. Okay, so let's assign classes to this now option. Now option display flex, justify content, no, align item center, and also padding, shell pixel and shell pixel. This would be 0 pixel, and also let's add gap. Gap would be 10 pixel, and let's check it. See, it looks like this, and let's just now option i.bi, color would be white, and also the color of Sidebar container background color would be black, color white, and let's add width 1 pixel, and also let's add it with 1 pixel. So let's decrease the size to 218 and also 218, and let's add overflow y scroll and overflow x hidden. That's okay. So now let's add now option hr, background color white and color black. So let's check it, and also we should change that, and after that we should write that now option i.bi, the bootstrap icon should take this color also, and also cursor should be pointer. Let's check it. Sorry, should add here h over. Yeah, it looks like this. So now whenever we for example, we should hide the scroll bar. That now option to hide the scroll bar. Here we will write that sidebar container scroll bar, get scroll bar display none. Yeah, that is added. Okay, so now whenever we decrease the size, we should add a button here when we press the button. So if the size is in large or medium devices, so it should show just the icon for us. When we press the button back and pressing the button, it should show all of these icons, but on small devices it should disappear. By clicking it should appear back. So let's do it. First I will add a button, come here and just add here you, and just write here an icon, class name, bootstrap icon, bootstrap justify, and let's design it. That now say okay, it's okay. Just font size would be shell pixel, color white. So let's check it. It has added here, but instead I should add some styles to this class name, logo, display flex, align item center, and give 20 pixel, and also right. It's okay. So see, it is here, and just make it a little bit more bigger. 22 pixel or 23 pixel, and the gap should be 25 pixel. In cursor should be pointer. Yeah, so whenever we press this button, so it should just display the icon for us. So let's perform this action. So on large devices, whenever I press this button, so it should decrease the size, and it should display just the icon for us. So let's do that. So first of all, when you click on this, on click, now collapse. Let's create this function, or we can directly just create a variable, a const. Now collapse set, now collapse is equal to use state hook, and by default the value is false, and we will directly change the value here. Set now collapse, now collapse, and assign a value of now collapse. If that was true, it will be false. If that was false, by pressing that will be true. So after adding this value, so now we will add a dynamic class to our site container. Yeah, to this class name here I will add a dynamic class. To add the dynamic class, we need to first of all to collapse it in curly braces, and here I will just write if the now collapse was true, so then it should add a new class, now collapse, otherwise nothing. If the now we should write it in this one, put it here. Okay, yes. So the now collapse class will added by whenever we press that button. So when we add this, what we should do, we will add a media query for art media and max width. Let's add this here. Max width was 768 pixel, and here we will use now collapse. The width of this would be, for example, 80 pixel, and also the dot now collapse dot now option h3 display none this, and also dot now collapse dot now option I dot bi the icons, the padding would be adjust to the now options. Okay, let's remove this. Now option padding would be, for example, 28 pixel. So let's check it. Let's press this button. By pressing this button, that didn't. Max width was 6 pixel. Let's check this. now collapse, add now collapse. Just this here, and also let's press this. Didn't disappear. So it should be min width. Okay, sorry, it was max width before. So now let's check it. Refresh the page. Let's come refresh this. Okay. So now after that, whenever we decrease the size, so whenever we come, for example, listing for small devices, so it should be disappear none whenever we press the button. So that should display back to us. So to perform this task, so first I will add another button that would be for smaller devices. Here, shift Fn, and we will create another state for smaller devices. That should be small now device, small now collapse, set small, and now we will call this function by clicking this button, and we will change this property. By default is false, and also whenever we are on a larger device, it should be displayed large device icon and small device icon. On large devices, this icon should be display none. Okay, on this device, okay, display none. But on smaller device, the second action at media and max width was 767 pixel. So the large icon should be displayed on here. Okay, so let's come here to the CSS. Display none. Okay, so now let's add another we should set now this small collapse in this variable here, this. Okay, here we will add that. If this variable was true, sorry, we should copy this name. If it was true, so then it will assign one class. If it was false, the second class. So here we will add second class. We will add small now. Okay, otherwise nothing will be added. So now let's check this small now. Whenever we are on small devices here, so we should display none it. So let's try it once. Let's decrease the size. By default, okay, just so first we should display none, that sidebar container, display none, and when we click the button, so then we should display that back, display back. And also on smaller devices we should display none the our this brand name. Okay, logo h2. let's check it now. Refresh the page. Let's see, we have these icons. Press back, we have these icons, but if we resize it, see the search displayed none by default. Press it, see we have back that. Press it again. So it was all about the side menu bar in the ReactJS. So if you like this video, so I kindly request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video, and thanks for watching.